Okay guys, have you ever wanted to add a clean banner to your store but didn't know where to start with the customization? Well, this section makes it ridiculously easy. Today we're adding this image with text banner section to your store, and honestly, it's such a versatile section, perfect for combining a strong visual with a short, punchy message anywhere on your homepage. So let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Image with Text Banner. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Banner, then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's change this text and scroll down, because here you can also change the font to whatever you'd like. Right now I'm searching for Poppins, and let's hit Done. The font style has been updated. Now let's change the size. You can increase or decrease it here for both desktop and mobile separately. Now let's change the text color to black, matching my own store's color scheme. Let's scroll down and change the background color to white too. After doing all that, it's time for these icons. You can replace these with your own too. I don't have any custom icons ready right now, so I'll leave these as they are for this demo. And that's genuinely how simple this section is to set up. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.